Chrome nails look awesome with different colors, and it was such a hot trend few years ago. We used chrome powder to achieve this look. Few brands recently launched the new product Liquid Chrome, which allows you to achieve the same look, but it's much easier to use and you will not have powder all around your workspace. I'm super curious how it's going to work, so let's try it.
Hello guys, this is Anastasia. Let's do some extensions and some nail art. This is my model. We have standard nails and I'm going to start with the prep. Nail prep is super important. It doesn't matter what kind of extensions you're about to do, what kind of technique or product you will use, and what kind of nail art you will create. Because if nail prep was not done correctly, you may experience different problems such as product lifting, peeling, or broken nails. I pushed back the cuticles, then I do dry manicure with electric nail file and take off the surface shine using 180 buffer. Make sure that the surface is matte and you did not leave any shiny spots. Since we are going to try liquid chrome today, I think it's better to try this kind of things on long nails. So we decided to do stiletto nails with soft gel tips. I finish manicure by cutting the cuticles with manicure scissors, then I apply base coat, cure it in LED, and then I'm going to pick the proper sizes of soft gel tips. This part is also very important if you're doubting. If you think that this tip is probably too small, then you should definitely pick the size that is bigger. And then I apply the tips on the nails and cure them. Make sure that you do not have any bubbles. And this is how we get beautiful extensions within 30 minutes. Every time my client is in a rush, this is such a great time saver. Then I slightly shape the free edge because I want to get rid of this residue that we have on the tips, and nail extensions are done. We decided to use lilac color as the background and I used only one coat. Then I apply glossy top coat and cure it for 15 seconds. I have two different colors of liquid chrome. This brand is called Crazy Lag. This is Russian brand, but I also seen so many different options on AliExpress and on Amazon as well. Then we apply liquid chrome on top of the nail. At this moment, this client said, wow, maybe we should leave it like this, and honestly I thought about it, but first let's try it as a chrome. Do not use your finger because we do not want any oils on the surface of the nail. Instead, use your glove or a special sponge. And it's working. It was super easy. It's important to cure the glossy top coat only for the half of the cure time. My top coat cures for 30 seconds in LED, which means I cured it only for 15 seconds. If you will fully cure it, it is not going to work, unfortunately. Once you apply the liquid chrome, you need to wait just a little bit until the liquid evaporates, but it happens very quickly, and then we just apply it on the nail. I have to agree, this method is awesome because with chrome powder it was definitely get more messy, and also if you miss this moment when the top coat is still hot right after the lamp, sometimes it's not going to be applied that well. With liquid chrome you do not have this problem, you can apply it at any time. But I have a feeling that this is still the same chrome powder. Then we seal it with the top coat and this is the final look. By the way, I love this color combination, lilac background and green chrome on top. Almost any chrome powder or liquid chrome is going to look better and brighter on the dark background. But for some reason, I got a little tired of these looks few years ago when the chrome powders were trending, so now I really like these light versions of the light or bright background with different kinds of chrome colors.
Liquid chrome is truly an awesome product. I love using it. It's so easy. But once I recorded this video, I started scrolling my feed and I saw many tutorials on Instagram and TikTok how to create your own liquid chrome. and I thought maybe we should try a DIY version one. Let's do it.
I have a bottle of expired primer, so I simply throw it away, and this is how we have a new empty bottle. And I'm going to add some dehydrator. Actually, this is 3-in-1. It's cleanse, dehydrator, and sanitizer. And I will just add some in the bottle. I'm not going to add it all the way up, maybe like half. And then we can use any chrome powder that you like. I noticed that there is a lot of chrome powder in this liquid chrome that I have, so we are going to add a lot as well. I can't say that I'm a super DIY person. I definitely like mixing colors, products, and getting new things from it, but I'm not the person who is going to do every single thing from scratch. I really like trying new products, what companies and brands can offer, and see how I can use it. But with this product, I think it definitely makes sense to do it by yourself, because if you already have plenty of chrome powders and you do not use them much, why not create a liquid chrome out of them, so it is going to be more convenient to use them. Another advantage of liquid chrome will be you are not going to waste any powder. Then I clean the bottle and we are going to shake it. You need to shake it every time before use, because the powder is going to be on the bottom when you're not using this. I will use black background so we can see the color better. I applied the same top coat I just used, the same brand. By the way, this is Madame Glam. And apply liquid chrome, and we immediately can see that it looks different. I mean, the color is different, but seems like we have less chrome now. So I apply it exactly the same way, and no, it doesn't look good, and you can see so many missing spots, which means we definitely need more chrome powder. By the way, I think I ended up adding almost the entire jar inside there. So it also depends on the amount of liquid that you have. So after I did this, I thought first of all I should have used a smaller bottle, because it would be just easier to add enough chrome powder there. Also, this is the bottle from the primer, and you can see that the brush is very small, and this is not super convenient to apply this. So if you have a bottle with a regular brush, I recommend you to use this one. It worked much better this time, so I guess we still need to add a little bit more chrome powder, but then I thought maybe we should try a different liquid. Our goal for the liquid is to evaporate as quickly as possible, so after that I decided to try alcohol. Later I've seen in other tutorials when they used acetone or like a regular dehydrator. And let's do it again. I added less liquid and then I add a different kind of chrome powder. When you will be doing a liquid chrome, first of all, check the chrome powder, apply it the regular way and make sure it works. Also make sure that you are curing the top coat properly. So what I'm saying, if it's not working, maybe it's not about the liquid chrome, maybe it's something about the top coat or another product. As you've seen, I tried it first with the liquid chrome, and I even decided to take the same color and apply it. And looks like with alcohol it works so much better. Here's the recipe. You can use dehydrator or alcohol, and you need to add as much chrome powder as possible and pick the bottle with a nice large brush. Cure the top coat for half of the cure time, apply the chrome powder and seal it with the top coat. Let me guys know, what do you think? Have you already tried doing your DIY liquid chrome, or maybe if you tried the regular one, please let me know which brands did you like the most. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new product reviews just like this one and DIY tutorials every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.